Is it that right? Bye. Bye.
Thank you. Yes, now the next participant is Dheeraj Sharma.
क्यों राजकुमार जी, बरोबर कहा ना मैंने। अनजानी, हम उस बाप के बेटे हैं जो कभी हार नहीं मानते। हाँ, ये बात है कि हम पहले भी डिस्टेंस रखते थे, आज भी रखते हैं, हमेशा रखेंगे। और हाथ तो धोना चाहिए जरूरी, खाने के पहले और खाने के बाद। रहा मास्क का सवाल, तो मास्क तो आपको लगाना ही होगा अगर कोरोना से लड़ना है। क्यों नाना पाटेकर? अच्छा है, वो कलम वाली बाई ठीक कहती थी, अरे हाथ धो, मास्क लगाओ और सोशल डिस्टेंस पालो, तभी कोरोना से लड़ सकते हो। अच्छा है। तुम भी बोलो। त्याला आम्हाला काय म्हणायचं, आम्हाला काय म्हणायचं नाही आहे। आमच्या गावामध्ये आम्ही स्वच्छ हवा घेतोय, तोंडावर मास्क लावतोय, हात धुवून येतोय आणि सोशल डिस्टन्स पाळतोय। हे आहे बघ ना, मला कसा शेकतात आहे। आणि आता काय बोलत नाही, माझी हाफ चड्डीला बोलत आहे, जय हिंद जय महाराष्ट्र। नीलू फुले दादा तुम्ही बोला। आम्ही काय म्हणायचं, आमच्या राज्यात असं काय नव्हतं। आम्ही नेहमी सोशल डिस्टन्स ठेवलेलं आहे। बाईला सांगायचा वाडावर या आणि आम्ही घरीच राहायचं, हात धुण्याचा आणि मास्क लावून जायचा। कोणी ओळखत नव्हतं आम्हाला। आता काय करायचं बाबा, हारलोय मी, याच्याशी हारलोय। अरे सुनील शेट्टी बेटा, तू बोल, तू काय म्हणते? आपने बहुत अच्छा किया है। मेरी अंजलि भी यही सुनना चाहती थी। अंजलि, सुन लिया ना तुमने? हाथ धोना है, मुंह पे मास्क लगाना है और सोशल डिस्टेंस। अंजलि, सोशल डिस्टेंस, तभी तो हम कोरोना को हरा पाएंगे। अंजलि, कोरोना को। क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है। मैं देवन कि हरदम ये 3 नियम पालें, सोशल डिस्टेंस और मुंह पे मास्क हो और हाथ हमेशा धोते रहो। क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है। राजेश खन्ना तुम भी बोलो। अरे बाबू मोशाय, अरे ये जो है ये तो कल भी था, आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा रे। अरे मैंने कहा था कि पुष्पा आई हेट टेयर्स, अब मैं कहता हूँ अरे पुष्पा हाथ धो के आई कि नहीं रे। अगर हाथ धोई है तो मास्क लगा, और मास्क धोई है तो सोशल डिस्टेंस पाल रे। समझी कि नहीं पुष्पा? मैं भी, तू बताना चाहता है तो बता दे महमूद, तू भी अपने दिल की हाल। ख्यालों में, ख्यालों में, ख्यालों में, खाले से डर गए क्या? और हाथ तुम धो के जरूर आना रे, मुंह पे मास्क जरूर तुम लगाना रे, और सोशल डिस्टेंस तुम भी पालते जाना रे। क्या समझे, मैं भी हूँ तुम भी हो, और ये जमाना भी है, लेकिन ये कोरोना को हराना है, समझे कि नहीं?
Thank you. After some dance and poetry and mimicry, it's time for some singing. Bhanupriya is going to sing for us.
Patricia, can you hear?
I could hear.
I can't hear anything. Now I
Thank you, Bhanupriya. The next participant is Rajesh Patil.
मासूम चेहरा नीची निगाहें अप्सरा है ना वो परी है, लेकिन ये उसकी जादूगरी है। दीवाना कर दे वो, एक रंग भर दे वो, शर्मा के देखे जिधर घर से निकलते ही कुछ दूर चलते ही रास्ते में है उसका घर।
Thank you. Thank you, Ashish. Now we have Vinod who wants to say something to us.
विनोद गुप्ता का आप सभी को नमस्कार। फिनिक्स फाउंडेशन के साथ मैं पिछले 20 सालों से जुड़ा हुआ हूं। रोटरी क्लब और उनकी जैसी अन्य संस्थाओं के सहयोग से हम ट्रैकिंग का आयोजन करते आ रहे हैं। इस दौरान प्रकृति के खूबसूरती को बहुत ही नज़दीक से देखने का हमें मौका मिलता है। हम केवल ट्रैकिंग ही नहीं करते, उस दौरान किले की सफाई, मेडिकल कैंप और जो भी दिव्यांग मिलता है उसको हम योग मार्गदर्शन करते हैं। इस बार हम ट्रैकिंग नहीं कर पाए, उसका बहुत अफसोस हो रहा है। रफ़ी साहब का एक गीत कानों में गूंजता है हमेशा, ये वादियाँ ये फ़िज़ाएँ बुला रही है हमें। अंत में आप सभी दोस्तों से एक विनती है कि सरकार जो भी दिशा निर्देश देते आ रही है उसका कड़ाई से पालन करें, मास्क पहने, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग बनाए रखें, क्योंकि अगर जान बची तो हम जहान देखेंगे। फिनिक्स फाउंडेशन के साथ आगे हम और भी पहाड़ चढ़ेंगे। धन्यवाद।
Is Vinod here? Is Vinod here?
Santosh ji, has Vinod joined the meeting?
Yes, sir.
Video on कर। कैसे हो विनोद?
हाँ एकदम ठीक सर।
Good to see you.
अच्छा लगा आपको देख के।
मुझे भी लगा। Thank you.
Friends, now may I request Avenue Chair of Able to Ability, A.V. Suresh sir.
There is one more video.
One more video is there. Now we are playing that now. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
कळसुबाई महाराष्ट्रातील सर्वात उंच पर्वत शिखर. समुद्र सपाटीपासून त्याची उंची 5400 फूट म्हणजे सुमारे 1646 मीटर इतकी. अशा या कळसुबाई शिखरावर दुर्ग संवर्धन प्रतिष्ठानची 69वी मोहीम पार पडली. ही शिखरावरील मोहीम खूपच खास होती. नाशिकमधील इगतपुरीमध्ये राहणाऱ्या सागर बोडके हा एक अंध विद्यार्थी. सध्या तो मुंबई महानगरपालिकेत नोकरी करत आहे व नाशिकच्या KTHM कॉलेजमध्ये उच्च शिक्षण देखील घेत आहे. 70% अंधत्व असताना देखील त्याचा उत्साह डोळस व्यक्तींना लाजविणारा आहे. या युवकाने एक निश्चय केला आहे, तो म्हणजे या अवघड कळसुबाई शिखरावर 21 वेळा जाण्याचा. हा त्याचा जागतिक रेकॉर्ड देखील बनणार आहे. त्याने यासाठी सुरुवात देखील केली आणि आज दुर्ग संवर्धन प्रतिष्ठानतर्फे त्याने 10वी मोहीम यशस्वीरित्या पार पाडली.
Thank you, Ashish. Yes. May I now request A.V. Suresh ji, sir, to please say a few words.
Thank you, President Kala, for giving me this opportunity. Good evening to all of you. DG Sunil Mehra, President Kala Sridhar. I think a true visionary president in all sense. I'll tell you why I'm saying this later. And Secretary Ashish and the team, President Kishore and others who are there, AG KK Chaudhary, and all my friends out there. I believe strongly, which we talked about day before yesterday also, that the especially able people are people who are more able than most of us. And when you see this song, mimicry, and the thought process, what they have, and the trekking and the hiking, which even I think very few of us can actually do even today, it all the more goes to prove that they are special. It reminds me of that famous good old Hindi movie called Hum Kisi Se Kam Nahi. And we all have to believe that they are not come from any angle. Instead, they are one step better than most of us. But the sad part is it goes unnoticed. I think this sort of platform, Kala, gives gives these people the opportunity to exhibit the talent and get noticed. The reason I said visionary President Kala is somebody who's different is because of the enthusiasm, the dynamism, and truly a visionary president. Sunil, I would like to tell you that when we had one of our able partners meet, when Rajiv Mehta and Kala were there, Rajiv Mehta of Ratnavati Trust was just mentioning about, he said, I've got a database of more than 5,000 people, we should do something for them. And this young lady immediately got up and said, I will do it for you. And within 24 hours, you wouldn't believe it, within 24 hours, she managed to put a full program together. And thanks to Ms. Menon also and other team members, they're doing a fantastic program. And that's truly making them from able to ability. So thank you, President Kala, for driving this project. And what I like most is that the smile on your face, which is there 24 hours. Whether it's the beginning of the program or end of the program, the colorful visual behind you and the smile in front of you certainly motivates all of us to do things what you do for the specially able people. And you can rest assured that Umang 2020 would be a great success to visualize, to also bring forth in the front the ability of the people. And we are there to support you all the way through. And let this continue year on year, and we'll make this a grand success story and make a difference to the specially able people. Well done, keep it up, and I'm so happy to be amongst you all today. Thank you.
Thank you, AV sir, for your kind words. Now, it's my turn to introduce our DG. So DG he has given a saying that we should not introduce.
What he meant was take a long time, introduce long.
A time out.
Time out. I thought he's saying just keep it short.
Can we avoid it?
Yes, nobody needs to, DG doesn't need any introduction. So please, DG, the floor is all yours.
Thank you so much, Kala. This is the way to do it. Thank you. Visionary President Kala, so many other visionary presidents as co-hosts, AG KKG, Project Director AV Suresh, other office bearers of the district, and of course, Rotarians. Let me begin with a quote. Sometimes the real superheroes live in the hearts of small children fighting big battles. We all know a child's experience in his early life greatly influences his eventual adult development. It's no wonder then that a child's early years are called his formative years. All parents wish to provide every possible benefit to their child during their early formative years to ensure success in later lives. Parents will admit that at some point or the other, they have thought their children possessing superior abilities in some field. Rarely do parents look at what the child cannot do, but more so what they can do better. Everyone has talent. What is rare is the courage to follow it to the dark places where it leads. That is to say, you have not let your challenges stop you from developing your talent. Every child is gifted. Some children's gifts are out in the open for the world to see. Others may have it hidden and may need a little nurturing before being unwrapped. like you are doing today through this process, Kala. Like we have seen so many children do different things, mimicry. I went back to history. It is brilliant. Try look for the following signs to help you decide where your child's talents are. Observe what your child enjoys doing in his or her free time. Sometimes the child may show you a level of interest in a particular field. This will help you identify their natural talents. This is what is called latent talent, which we need to actually bring out from children. Talents need not always be present only in conventional fields like drawing or singing, for instance. If your child is very good at making conversations and is always able to make his point firmly put across while debating, for example, or arguing like Kala does on a subject, your child has qualities which can make a good lawyer. This is the plight of Sridhar at home. If your child is interested,
Not fair.
if your child is interested in the subject, he will question you about it, often and tirelessly. His great zeal and enthusiasm for that subject will become very important. Once your child's special talents have been identified, able to ability comes into place. Introduce and encourage them to connect with other children, sharing similar interests in order to motivate and cultivate each other's talents. Do not judge or comment negatively upon their child's talents because they tend to lose motivation, which is the way they will drive their talent to actually, जिसको कहते हैं हिंदी में, उभर के आओ. When we praise a child's natural talent, he tends to become complacent and takes less effort to learn more. But if we praise the effort to learn and develop further, children are more inclined to taking calculated risks, make mistakes, but learning from them. Parents need to instill the value of hard work in their children as a means to keep them motivated and constantly striving for excellence. Having passion for a certain field will ensure that your child will work harder, faster, and better to understand and develop skills to help him or her succeed. Remember, hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. We should not worry how slowly some children learn, as long as we are encouraging them not to stop. Before I end, children with special needs come into our lives, leaving footprints in our hearts, and then we are never the same again. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Ashish, now it is your turn for the vote of thanks. You're mute.
Yeah. Good evening, everyone. We would like to thank our chief guests, DG Sunil Mehra, DS Hemang Jangla, AG KK Chaudhary, Project Chair AV Suresh, Rotarian Rajiv Mehta of Ratnanidhi Trust, all district dignitaries, all participants whose videos have been played, Pooja Zaveri, Sania Khan, Shikesh Pathangre, Vishit Gaikwad, Dheeraj Sharma, Bhanupriya, Rajesh Patil, Sagar Bodke. For the national anthem, we have Mukta Shirke, club song Anand Jayaraman, all Rotarians, members of Phoenix Foundation, members of Ratnanidhi Trust, Santosh Samsare, Dinesh Patil, Poonam Naik. We wish to specially thank all our co-host clubs, Rotary Club of Mumbai, Bandra Kurla Complex, Juhu Beach, Sea Coast, Borivali, Kandivali, Worli, Virar, Versova, Jewels, Iconic, Parleshwar, North Island, Harmony, Kalakar, Daisar. Thank you everyone for participating and making this progress a great success. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashish. We have Mukta Shirke, the president of our Interact Club of Abhi Goregaonkar, who will be singing the national anthem.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah. यस मुक्ता.
गुड इवनिंग मैम.
हाँ शहजादी, एक मिनट, नेशनल एंथम के बाद बात करते हैं.
ओके मैम, सॉरी.
मुक्ता, यू आर म्यूट. स्टार्ट.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा. विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा. तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे. गाहे तव जय गाथा. गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you. Thank you everybody. We meet tomorrow at 6 p.m.